Okay, let's continue. Now we have finished with making the columns and entering the formulas for English. Now to make things simple, we just copy and paste so that we don't need to enter the formulas again. Therefore, we have to lock the cells, because if you don't lock the cells and you make a copy and paste, it will change. The cell numbers and will change. So when you go to the class call 50% column, you go to where the formula is. So we have formula DD. You put $sign in front of it, all of the letters D. Then you come to the B2. Now when you check the B2, you have two ways of locking a cell. You can bring one before and one after. When you bring a $sign before and after a letter, it means you have make it fixed. You cannot change it. But we don't want it that way. We want to lock only the column B. Therefore, we bring only $sign in front of the B2. Only $sign in front of the B2. The meaning is that we've locked B, but we have not locked 2. If you bring another $sign before the 2, it means we have locked B and at the same time 2, so it means you cannot move it. But since it's only B that we want to lock, we just bring this $sign in front of B and we leave it. Then we go to where the B is, this BB2. You have to lock it using the $sign. Okay, you press enter. You come here. This you apply the same. You lock the cell F, $sign in front of F, another in front. Then when you come to the B2, one in front, and another in front of B, another in front of B. You press enter. Let's go to the next one. That one too, let's lock it, since we are coming to do copy and paste. Lock. We bring $sign in front of the B2, then $sign in front of B, and then $sign in front of B. We go to the grade. That one too, the same thing. Let's add $sign in front of I, and we, after the colon, to $sign. Then we come to the match side. So the B2, $sign in front of B, then we leave it. Then we jump to the BB, $sign in front of B, $sign in front of B. We press enter. Then we select the next column. $sign, $sign in front of J, $sign in front of J. When you come here to $sign in front of B, then $sign in front of B, one in front of another B. You press enter. Then we go to the last column. So that one is K, so $1 in front of K, the last sign in front of K, another in front of K. Go to, we bring $sign in front of B, then $sign in front of B, $sign in front of B. We press enter. Now when you are using pivot table, we cannot copy both headings and the no, so let's copy the first. Let's copy the headings first. So you copy it. You click on Ctrl C to copy after selecting the entire heading, starting from the English class score to the remarks. So we right click on this empty cell, then we go to paste. So keep source formatting. keep source formatting. Okay. You click Ctrl S to save. Now since it's selected, we can add some formatting to it. You select the wrap text. Okay, you see it has made a copy of it and adding 2, 3, 4 in that order. That's how the pivot table works. So just make some editing and remove the 2. You make editing, you remove the 2, the 3 over there. You come here, you remove the 4. Come here, remove the 5. You select the position, you remove the 6. So I have to change the name. So which SBA sheet are we adding? Let's add mass. So you have to change the name. Since English class call is it will bring add 2 to it since it's already there. So mass. You delete the 2. You see now the 2 is not coming again. So mass. We come to mass. We go to grade, mass grade instead of English grade. Mass grade, then you delete the 2 in front of it. We go to the position. Instead of English position, let's make it mass position, and you delete the 2. Then we come to the last one. So instead of English remarks, we say mass remarks. Press enter. Now let's shift it so that at least to be nice like this. Okay, now as we finish, then we come here, you put your cursor on the 40 and shift and hold Ctrl plus shift, then you click on the right arrow. After that you click on down, still holding on the shift and the Ctrl key, then you click on down. Then after selecting the entire, you leave it and you enter Ctrl C. I have to do it again.